Hello and welcome back to UDVM's YouTube channel. It's been a very long time, but in today's video we see how to import data into NextoPOS software system. So let's start with it. So you go in the items part of the system and then you click on the three dots on the right side like so, and you click on Excel import. That is, the data shall be filled into an Excel file and then imported into the system. So you download the template and you fill in the details and then you upload the Excel file. The next is to match the spreadsheet to the database. So this is just a demo and you'll be matching all your items to the categories. Likewise, and then you press on next step, and that is to import all your data, and then you press on complete Excel import and all your data is into the system. Our professionals will definitely guide you through this process if you need help, but this is the way you insert all your data into the system. So that is all for this video. I hope that this step is clear to you. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more such videos.